Did you know that scientists discovered something mind-blowing about weight gain? When they transplanted gut bacteria from obese mice into lean ones, the lean mice started gaining weight without eating any more food. And when they reversed the process by transplanting gut bacteria from lean mice into obese ones, the obese mice slimmed down and became lean. Now, have you ever felt frustrated, like you're doing everything right, counting calories, eating right, exercising, but still can't lose that stubborn weight? The secret might not lie in your workout routine or the way you eat. It could be hidden in your gut. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living inside your digestive system, might be the silent saboteur of your progress, or it could be your greatest ally in unlocking a faster metabolism. By the end of this video, you'll discover how your gut can make or break your weight loss journey and what you can do to take control. And before we dive in, we've discovered that 83% of our view hours come from non-subscribers. So if you're interested in improving your health, optimizing your metabolism, and avoiding cardiovascular diseases, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free for you, but it helps us a lot in spreading the right knowledge and improving the health of this sick planet. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Peace be upon you and welcome back to MenHuman. I'm Dr. Haitham Faraj, a certified cardiologist, nutritionist, personal trainer, and the founder of MenHuman, your trusted source for all things health, fitness, and wellness. In our last video, we explored the fascinating connection between gut health and heart health. Today, we're diving even deeper, unveiling how your gut is more than just about digestion. It's a key player in your metabolism, weight gain, and even weight loss. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed to learn how your microbiome can influence your body's ability to gain or resist fat. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms, and their impact on our metabolism is astonishing. In a landmark study published in Science, researchers transplanted gut microbiota between lean and obese mice. When feces from obese mice were introduced into lean, germ-free mice, these mice became obese, even without changes in diet. Conversely, when feces from lean mice were transplanted into obese mice, the obese mice lost weight and became lean. This experiment demonstrated that gut bacteria play a direct role in regulating body weight and fat storage. But why does this happen? The answer lies in the unique roles of specific bacterial populations in your gut. Firmicutes, for instance, are known as energy extractors because they excel at breaking down food into calories, increasing calorie absorption. While this ability can be beneficial, an overabundance of Firmicutes can lead to increased fat storage, especially in high-calorie diets. In the study, the obese mice were found to have an abundance of Firmicutes. When this strain of bacteria was introduced into the lean mice, Firmicutes triggered inflammation and increased the absorption of calories from the same amount of food the lean mice consumed. This caused the lean mice to gain weight rapidly, highlighting the significant role Firmicutes play in obesity. On the other hand, Bacteroidetes are considered the lean team. They help digest fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and regulate appetite. In the study, the lean mice were found to have an abundance of Bacteroidetes. When this strain of bacteria was introduced into the obese mice, their inflammation levels improved. They felt fuller and their metabolism became more efficient, leading to weight loss, all while consuming the same amount of food they were accustomed to. This demonstrates the powerful role Bacteroidetes play in maintaining a healthy metabolism and body weight. The balance between Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes is crucial, and a higher ratio of Firmicutes is often associated with obesity. Now let's talk about one of the rising stars in gut health research, Akkermansia buccinifila. This remarkable bacterium plays a crucial role in maintaining the gut lining, which prevents leaky gut and reduces inflammation. Studies show that Akkermansia also improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate fat metabolism. Increasing its levels has been linked to better weight loss outcomes and improved metabolic health, making it a critical player in the gut metabolism connection. Moving on to bifidobacteria. These bacteria are like the fiber processors of your gut. They break down dietary fibers into short-chain fatty acids, signaling satiety to your brain and reducing inflammation in the process. Higher levels of bifidobacteria are associated with a leaner body composition and healthier metabolic markers. Foods like garlic, kiwis, and water-soaked pressure-cooked lentils help nourish bifidobacteria, allowing them to thrive and function effectively. Lactobacillus is another important bacterial group, but its role is more nuanced. While it aids in nutrient absorption and supports gut balance by producing lactic acid, its effects on weight regulation vary by strain. Some strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus are linked to weight loss, while others like Lactobacillus rotary may promote weight gain depending on the host's metabolic state. This highlights the importance of understanding strain-specific roles when it comes to probiotics and gut health. As you can see, the interactions between these bacteria populations are highly complex, and maintaining balance is key. Too much of one or too little of another can disrupt your metabolism, potentially leading to weight gain or weight loss. Your gut doesn't work in isolation. It communicates directly with your brain through the gut-brain axis. This connection regulates hunger, satiety, and energy expenditure. For example, short-chain fatty acids produced by Bacteroidetes and bifidobacteria send signals to the brain via the vagus nerve, helping to suppress appetite and promote a sense of fullness. A study published in Trends in Neuroscience revealed that gut bacteria also produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influence mood and appetite. When this communication is disrupted, whether by poor diet, stress, or inflammation, it can lead to overeating, insulin resistance, and other metabolic disorders. Understanding this connection underscores the importance of gut health, not just for digestion, but for overall metabolic control. So, how do you restore balance in your gut microbiome and optimize it for better metabolism? First, feeding your beneficial bacteria is critical. High-fiber foods like lentils, broccoli, and garlic support Bacteroidetes and bifidobacteria, while fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and pickles introduce beneficial strains of lactobacillus. Avoiding artificial sweeteners like sucralose or aspartame is equally important, as these disrupt gut bacteria and have been linked to glucose intolerance in studies. Additionally, steer clear of sugar, processed foods, and refined carbohydrates, which feed harmful bacteria like Firmicutes and promote an unhealthy gut environment. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet is another powerful way to improve gut health. Omega-3s found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, have been shown to promote growth of beneficial gut bacteria like bifidobacteria and Akkermansia muciniphila. Studies have also demonstrated that omega-3s help reduce gut inflammation, strengthen the gut lining, and enhance the production of short-chain fatty acids, all of which contribute to better metabolism and overall gut health. Staying hydrated is another key factor, as water helps maintain the mucous lining of the gut and supports the transport of nutrients essential for gut bacteria. Regular exercise also plays a significant role in improving your gut health, as it boosts the diversity of gut microbiota and helps reduce inflammation. Managing stress and improving sleep quality are also vital, as chronic stress and poor sleep reduce the diversity of gut bacteria and weaken their overall function. Finally, consider probiotics and prebiotics to help restore balance. But remember that strain specificity matters. Not all probiotics are created equal, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. The gut microbiome is a fascinating and powerful regulator of metabolism. Key bacteria like Firmicutes, Bacteroidetes, Akkermansia, bifidobacteria, and lactobacillus each play unique roles, shaping how our bodies process energy and store fat. By nourishing your gut and maintaining a healthy balance of these bacterial populations, you can improve your metabolic health and overall well-being. If you're ready to transform your health, start by making small, gut-friendly changes today to optimize your metabolism and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to check out my previous video on the gut-heart connection to learn how to protect your heart and keep it nourished. And if you're looking for a healthy snack that's beneficial for your gut, try lentil chips, a crunchy snack you can enjoy with no guilt. And finally, if you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's spread the knowledge and empower each other to live healthier lives. Your support helps us keep creating content that empowers your health. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any thoughts, questions, or experiences you'd like to share. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your gut and it will take care of you. Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum.